right, this is your new little GoGo dryer.
So cute.
Adorable, right?
It's
so
adorable.
even though it's small and you can take it anywhere with you, it literally is 1,000 watts of power.
Oh my gosh.
So whatever you normally do with your blow dryer, whether it's a round brush or your hands or like the smoothie brush, you do with
My
this.
favorite.
But it's gonna be lighter and it's gonna be easier to use. Like
Okay.
it's and literally the fact that you can take it everywhere.
Oh, that's so nice.
Is that
Easy to pack, right?
Right. So whether you use your hands or maybe a round brush or like we talked about the smoothie,
Yeah.
you're gonna do it just with this dryer. It's just gonna take the place of your big one. Would be your hands. All right, so you ready to give it a go?
Yeah.
All right, you have high and low. You can choose from.
Okay.
All
I'll
right.
start with high because I'll get the moisture out.
Okay.
Oh, it's lightweight. I love it. I love this one. So just kind of like bump it up at the root there, and it just gives me a little bit of lift.
And you're kind of spinning as you come down while you're blow drying. Okay, so when you want maximum lift, you have to make sure with the round brush that you pull forward when you go to blow dry. So when you pull forward, it'll cause that bump. Maggie, it looks great. You did great. What do you think about this?
I love it. I think it's wonderful. I love the fact that it's small. It's mighty though. It really is. It does the same thing as my big dryer does.
It did?
And
Did you
it's
think?
cute. Yeah.
Like you, because your hair looks like
Oh,
it's got all the lift and volume.
It's got everything I have.
It's frizz-free.
Yep, frizz
Shiny.
easy to do with the smoothie brush too, because I can just like wing this around with one hand. I loved it, and it's packable. It's even better. Very cute. Very cute.
There we go. Great job.
Thank you.